So today, got another update video. This is the Apex silencer that I ended up buying for the Z. It says that it's supposed to reduce the decibels by about 7. In the state of California, the max is 95 dB. So I'm hoping, with this silencer, we can be within the legal limit. So yeah. So today that's the plan. I'm headed to the shop right now and I'm gonna get this installed. A little vlog action today. It's a cold start, baby. I mean, the Z feels good. I haven't driven it in some time, but the air intake didn't really add that much sound, to be honest. Kind of sounds the same. Kind of throatiness. Let's see if I can gun it real quick. See if you guys can hear anything, I don't like is at high speeds you can hear the vibration of my drive shaft. I have an aluminum drive shaft, so definitely hear the vibration above 65 miles an hour. California has got to have one of the most aggressive drivers. Guys are doing crazy stunts just to move a car lengths ahead. It's crazy because I always feel like I'm in this thing and people want me to drive faster than I want. I got the guy behind me riding my ass real quick. I'm going the speed limit. Like, come on, man. What am I supposed to do?
I ended up buying this Apexi silencer from eBay, and after doing some research, I determined that it was able to be installed onto my MSA exhaust. Pretty good build quality, just a couple tack welds, on this tubular sheet. I also have this comparison here with the silencer installed and the silencer not installed.
Wow. It's been about 5 minutes driving the Z with the tack welded exhaust tip, and honestly, it's so much more quiet than what I'm used to. But obviously that's the point, that's the gist. So hopefully I don't get pulled over again. It just sounds so quiet and I like it. But sometimes having that throatiness or that raspiness of that just exhaust makes it all, worthwhile. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I bought that tip just to get me by so I can resolve the state rev ticket. And when I get the new exhaust, the electronic valve that I was mentioning in a previous episode, then I'll have that as my complete exhaust. So we're gonna jump on the freeway real quick, give it a little punch. Very, very drastic change. so quiet. So hopefully I can get the police off my back. Sometimes I think because I drive an older car that kind of sticks out or stands out, I'm more prone to some of these stops. There's so many other cars out here in Cali that are much louder than mine, yet they don't get pulled over, to my knowledge. So hopefully, you know, I don't have to go through this again, and I can get the Z back on the street and, you know, driving a little bit more often. I'll keep you guys posted on the state rep process. The Z is now officially compliant. Now I just gotta get approval, then I should be able to drive the Z again legally. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I appreciate all the support.